Alright, hi everybody, Alexi here. This video is gonna show you how to touchdown raise. What is touchdown raise? You can think of it as a very low raise with a touchdown. So this is a raise and this is a touchdown raise. Very similar moves. When doing a raise, you jump up, but when doing touchdown raise, you kind of go lean back and try to reach to the ground. So you don't really jump, it's more like cartwheel. Some people do it more over their head, some go more sideways over the shoulder. On this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to start practicing touchdown raise over your shoulder and how to invert it more step by step. Move your weight from right to left leg and step with your right leg. Let's learn how to use lifting leg and jump by doing this crescent kick jump exercise. When your kicking leg is at the highest point, jump with your other leg like this and bring your kicking leg down and try to land your toes pointing to the direction you came from. Usually triggers move sideways and kicking target or audience is at the front, so direction you came from is there at the side. Let's do this a few times more and try to land your toes pointing to the direction you came from. Let's lean back more like this, lean back and arch your back a little. Spot the ground over your shoulder, take your time and just practice this slowly. And finally, it's a small raise. Yeehaw, good job! Hand movement is the next step we have to learn. Let's start by locking your arms like this. When your other arm moves, so does the other. Pay close attention to the arm movement. It's not straight vertical, nor is it horizontal, it's kinda like in between. Next step is trying to reach the ground. You can hop a few times on your plant leg, try to be low and try to get weight on your arm. At first you're trying to tap the ground with your hand. You don't have any weight at that point on your hand yet. But once you get more comfortable, you start to learn how to add more weight to your touchdown hand. Okay, one really important information is that you should turn your touchdown hand's fingers to the side. That way you won't strain your wrist, and it's really important lesson that I learned. I've been doing it 7 years or maybe 9 years wrong, and you should do it right at the very beginning. Here's the way I learned my touchdown raise. I hope it helps. Just learn the basic general move of raise and start leaning back and going for the touchdown just by tapping or touching the ground at first and then adding weight to it and going more over the top, inverting the touchdown raise more. And that's the way to learn it. It's a powerful setup move, one of the most powerful setups in tricking, and you should really learn it. Comment what kind of tutorial you would like me to make next and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye!